Hey there. Ever wondered if you're flossing your teeth correctly? Well, I'm here to make sure you get the ultimate scoop on this crucial part of dental hygiene. First things first, why is brushing alone not enough? Your toothbrush can't reach those tight spots between your teeth and beneath the gum line. That's where flossing comes in. When you skip flossing, food particles and plaque can cause tooth decay, gum inflammation, and bad breath. So, flossing daily is a must for healthy gums and a bright smile. Now let's talk about the different types of floss. Waxed floss is great for tight teeth. Unwaxed floss is thinner but can fray easily. Dental tape is perfect for wider gaps. Floss picks are super handy on the go. And water flossers are ideal for sensitive gums and braces. Choose what feels comfortable to you because consistency is key. Ready to floss like a pro? Follow these simple steps. 1. Start with about 18 to 24 inches of floss. Wrap most of it around your middle fingers. 1. Pinch the floss between your thumbs and forefingers. Slide it gently between your teeth. 1. Curve the floss into a C shape around each tooth. 1. Move it up and down to clean the tooth surface. 1. Use a clean section of floss for each tooth. 1. Finally, rinse your mouth to remove any debris. Flossing before brushing at night helps remove all the gunk from your day. Aim to floss at least once daily. Avoid common mistakes like snapping the floss or reusing the same section. If your gums bleed, stick with it. It usually means you need to floss more, not less. Regular flossing prevents cavities, reduces gum inflammation, and keeps your breath fresh. Plus, it can even boost your overall health. For those with braces or dental appliances, try floss threaders, super floss, or water flossers. Talk to your dentist about the best method for you. Remember, the hardest part of flossing is consistency. Set a routine, keep your floss handy, and track your progress. A healthy smile is just a few extra minutes a day away. Happy flossing.